Good morning students. Welcome to e-learning class of mathematics. Today I am going to introduce a new chapter of maths, that is fraction. So students, let's start lesson 8 fraction. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. यानी कि पूरे में से कुछ को लेना, that is called a fraction. And part should be equal. Whole means complete, पूरा. It's a complete circle and it's a complete rectangle. Next is 1/2. 1/2 is written as 1/2 and 2 halves make a whole. When we add 1/2 and 1/2, we get 1. Next is 1/3 and we write 1/3 as 1/3. And 3/3 make a whole. When we add 1/3 3 times, we get 1. Next is 1/4. 1/4 means quarter. And we write it as 1/4. And 4 quarters make a whole. When we add 1/4 4 times, we get 1. Students, what are you observing in these figures? First is complete. It's complete circle, it's complete rectangle. In the next figure, there are two parts of a circle and both the parts are equal. In next figure, there are 3 parts of a circle and 3 parts of a rectangle. And all the parts are equal. In next figure, there are 4 parts and all the parts are equal. It means in fraction, the part should be equal. Let's take an example of an apple. It is a whole apple. Now I have cut it into 2 parts. And now I have 2 halves. Both the parts are equal. And 2 equal halves make a whole. Yes, this is a whole apple now. Now I have cut it into 3 pieces. All the pieces are equal. And these 3 pieces make a whole. Yes, like this. Now I have cut it into 4 pieces. And all the pieces are equal. And 4 quarters make a whole like this. Now I think you will not be having any doubt now. And we will start activity 1. Activity 1, figures and fractions are given and we have to circle the correct fraction. We write the fraction in the form of shaded parts upon total parts. यानी कि shaded parts हम ऊपर लिखते हैं और total parts नीचे लिखते हैं. Fraction is in the form of shaded parts upon total parts. Now see the A part. How many parts are shaded in this figure? Only 1 part is shaded. So we have written 1. And now how many total parts are in this figure? 1, 2 and 3. So 1/3 option is correct. In the B part, only in this triangle only 2 parts are given and 1 part is shaded. First we will write down the shaded part and then total parts. So the option 1/2 is correct. Students, you can do these questions yourself. Now in the second question, we have to write down the fraction. Figure is given. Here are only 2 parts are shaded. So first we will write down 2. And how many parts are total? 1, 2 and 3. Total parts are 3. So the fraction will be 2/3. In the next question, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 parts are shaded. And total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 are total parts. We will write down the fraction in the form of 5/8. Students, D, E, F parts are given on the next page and you will do it yourself. In activity 2, fractions are given and we have to color in the figures according to that. First question is 1/6. Total parts are given 6 and we have to color only in one triangle. See the next question. 3 upon 7. Total butterflies are given 7 and we have to color only in 3 butterflies. In question number 3rd, 4 upon 5. Total mangoes are given 5 and we have to color only in 4 mangoes. Let's start mental maths corner. Tick the correct answer. A part. How many 1/4 make a whole? Students, you have already done 4 1/4 make a whole or 4 quarters make a whole. So the second option is correct. B part. 1 out of 2 equal parts of a whole is dash. 1 out of 2 means 1 upon 2. So the first option is correct. C part. The fraction for the shaded part is. Total parts are given 3 and the shaded part is only 1. The fraction will be 1 upon 3. Option second is correct. Question number second is, write the fraction for the shaded portion. A part. How many shaded parts are given here? 1, 2, 3. 3. And total parts are given 8. So the fraction will be 3 upon 8. B part is, how many shaded parts are here? 1, 2, 3. First we will write down 3 and total parts are given 4. The fraction will be 3 upon 4. Students, review exercise of this chapter is cut. Thank you. Have a nice day.